In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create candlesticks on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to customize and create your own candlestick charts is essential for effective analysis and decision making in the financial markets. Let's get started by opening TradingView and heading over to the chart section. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the financial instrument you're interested in. For our example, we'll be looking at gold, but you can choose any instrument that fits your investment strategy. Once you've selected your instrument, notice the upper left section of the interface. Here, you'll find a series of bars. Click on these to reveal a set of charting options. From this menu, you'll be able to choose the type of chart you want to view. Since we're focusing on candlesticks, go ahead and select candles from the drop-down menu. Instantly, you'll see the chart transition into a series of candlesticks, each representing a specific time frame of the instrument's price movements. Next, it's time to select the appropriate time frame for your analysis. You'll find this option right on the toolbar as a small clock icon. Click on it and you'll have the opportunity to select from various time intervals. Depending on whether you're planning a quick trade or a long-term investment, you can customize this to your preference, ranging from seconds to months. To enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your chart, head over to the Settings gear icon. Click on it to bring up a menu where you can choose from a variety of options. Here, you have the flexibility to pick the color scheme that best suits your eyesight or trading setup. A good practice is to choose colors that provide a clear contrast between bullish and bearish candles for easy reading at a glance. Now, to ensure all necessary information is visible, click on the status line option in the settings. This allows you to manage the display of additional data directly on your chart, like the current price or indicator updates. Further down, explore the scales and lines settings. This is where you can adjust specific chart scales and decide which lines are most important for your analysis. The chart's background, or canvas, is another area you can customize for a more personalized view. Click on Canvas to modify the overall theme or grid colors. If your trading strategy involves alerts, you'll also want to check out the Alerts section. Alerts help keep you informed about significant market movements without constantly watching your screen. You'll find this under the Settings menu as well. Don't forget to set up any upcoming events you're tracking. This could include earnings reports or economic data releases that might affect your trading decisions. After you've gone through all these settings, it's time to finalize everything. Click on OK to save your settings. Once everything is set, take a moment to review your chart. Make sure it reflects the data and visuals according to your preferences. Congratulations! You've successfully created a customized candlestick chart on TradingView. This tailored view will support your market analysis and enhance your trading capabilities. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and trading insights.